it's Patrick, you're watching Tesla Trip, and welcome to another Cybertruck accessory review. And this is from our good friends over at EVBASE. We have a code, 20% off on anything with toosmart, T-O-O-SMART. And today it's the Tesla Cybertruck front bull bar, bumper, grille, guard, push bar. So basically it's just extra protection for the front of the Cybertruck. And it's pretty slick. It doesn't interfere with FSD. It's heavy duty, it's got sturdy construction, it's crafted from high strength Q235 steel. I can feel this thing's like, it's heavy. It's like very solid. It's built to withstand impact and corrosion, high durability and strong properties, which are stronger than most aviation grade aluminum. It offers superior protection for the Cybertruck's front bumper against impacts, debris, rocks, other road hazards. They're saying it's good for winter conditions. It can withstand impacts from snow, ice buildup during winter storms. You still want to clean it though afterwards. If you're driving in areas with snowbanks, trees, or wildlife, a bull bar can provide extra protection against potential impacts. It's custom fit so that it's made to fit very nicely on the tow hooks on the front of the Cybertruck. It's super easy to install. So here's all our pieces. We got to line them up with the bumper and assemble them, and we're going to put these brackets in to hold it all together. We have to take off these little guards back here. So we've got to get this piece out right here in order to put this in. There we go. So we just need to take out this bolt here and then get everything behind that. We are needing a 10mm socket wrench to get this bolt out. Place the clamps on top of the tow hooks and then assemble the bull bar together. And take the screws out of these. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. I've been using it for the past several weeks. No issues so far. I think it looks good. I've almost had some deer hit me, but luckily the full self-driving stopped me before that happened, so I didn't have to test it out. But I think it would have fared much better than just the plain bumper. Pretty slick little product. I highly recommend it. You can save 20% with the code toosmart. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions on my experiences with this product, or if you have any suggestions or things that you might like. EVBASE has been very great to work with. They talk back and forth about the products with me and any issues that I might have with them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be posting more of these videos soon.